woke up here at the Land of Thrash. Me and P-Dog crashed out in the bus last night. He's still sleeping. I'm gonna go walk around, check out the track, see what's up with the boys. We got some rain last night, good bit, but the event's on. It's gonna clear up. It's gonna be an epic day, so let's see what we do. Big Dog.
There's only 2 puddles. I gotta get them out, and then we're good 3 puddles.
Oh, it's slick in there.
Slick. But it's the perfect amount of rain.
I think so. What's good? Just woke up, just went out and checked out the track. Hobbs out there trying to take care of some of the water issues. We got a little bit of rain last night, but I think by midday today, the track is gonna be pristine. So right now I'm wrapping up my leg, getting dressed, and yeah, heading out to the track to help him get everything set up. So see you boys soon. Hopefully you guys start showing up. Oh snap. Got the table all set up. Got my Big Dog merch, dude. What do you say?
What up?
What up? Are you hyped?
Yeah, I haven't felt like this weird in so long, dude. It's crazy.
Like when you went on your first date or you were about to bang for the first time?
No, I wasn't that nervous about banging. I was excited.
Alright, cool.
More like going to my first day of school. You know what I mean? Like
flashback.
Where I was just like tripping, but like I couldn't say no because I like wanted to do it. You know what I mean?
The Big Dog's in the building. Dang, dude.
I'm loving it, but the rain's.
Are you about to ride it in?
Yeah, but the rain's fucking us up.
Look at this guy. Where'd he come from? He closed Snake Creek just to be here.
Yep, came all the way out of the creek.
Yeah.
Just for all the way to here.
They don't even care. They closed Snake Creek to come here.
Yeah, gotta support the virgins.
That's how you know this is a big event. You gotta get it churned up. He's getting out there with the electric bike, right?
Yeah,
he said he's coming for big air on the e-bike.
That's why I brought it.
What's up, man? I didn't see you. You've been hiding out. Sun's coming out. The boys are fired up. Everyone's starting to turn laps, so let's check it out. Oh! Dude. Oh my God, this guy on the PW50. Oh. A little slick. A little slick? Yeah. You still taking big air on your electric bike?
When it dries out.
The suns are coming out.
Sun's out. We're ready to rock now. It's looking good.
Track's gonna be good in like an hour.
An hour we got a solid.
Way more gooder.
Way gooder. He's getting them all.
You getting all the chicks with Brad? What's the claim, dude? How do you think of the event?
S-I-C-K.
Sick? Do you think Brad's a legend? Can you give me the...
He's got a roll. He's pulling all the chicks away from us.
Yeah, forget me to the urgent care, safe and sound.
I got you there.
We're back,
sure.
dude.
We're still... tattoo.
It's good. She did a great job. That lady was epic.
Yeah.
After you left, all the ladies let me film whatever. They were cool as shit.
I was like, yo, you want to go out after this?
Yeah, he was trying to pick up the nurse. She was like, sir, just put your mask on. We're going to have to get you some new, fresh Bad Friends graphic. Bad Friends Land of Thrash.
I think I need some.
Although you are rocking the boy. T-Bolt.
T-Bolt's on there.
Boy Vince takes care of us out here. go big?
I think I'm gonna feel her out. Maybe first session, then try and hit everything.
Go big or go home, dude.
I know I need to.
Let's go.
Give it a shot.
Throw it down?
I haven't got much seat time, but this event's sick.
It is. All the boys are throwing out and showing
It's like I
out.
almost don't even need to. I'm just trying to facilitate everybody else to get gnarly.
I guess that patch job wasn't that Gucci.
You want a set of tires out of that?
Sheesh. Your patch job. What do you think, Jot?
No bueno. 30 seconds ago I said to Hama, I was like, yo,
Yeah, it was shaking. No biggie, mid-event ramp repair. Don't worry about that blade. Shit's getting gnarly, just went out, put in some laps, finally riding, track's getting really good. One of the homies just dislocated his shoulder. We're about to throw down best trick, so stay tuned. Go down, all the boys are lining up. They're sending it first. Walter's on the track. You good, dude? The dismount was really graceful.
hey, you beat yourself. Don't worry.
I think you might still won unless there's another competitor.
Well, he was trying to talk shit on Hunter, but apparently it's not working out too well.
Dude, you had it clean.
Hell yeah, man.
Dudes are throwing down. Yeah, what do you think,
Best
dude?
trick's finished up. Stone killed it. He took off on the standing on the seat and landed that way. Might have crashed a couple times, but that was gnarly. All these guys tried it and they couldn't do it. So,
What do you think of the event so far, dude?
This event's awesome. You're missing out.
Third year in a row.
Yeah,
We're holding it down.
yeah, we're killing it. This has been a heck of an event. He's out here chilling.
He's like your new road dog,
He's
dude.
my dog. He's a great wingman.
I think we need him for BK 4.0, boys. Stay tuned.
Too. He's got to be here. Next time with his quad.
That's right. It's only going to get better from here.
He can only go up.
If you're going to do it, blow it up. Hold it up, dude. The gnarliest, yeah, goes to Chad, Big Dog Lemon, baby. Woo!
Big air for doing the backflip on the ramp because the ramp person. Big air, big dog.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
fucking awesome, man. Fuck yeah, dude. Man, thrash, get thrash.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, man, dude. Like, I'm pumped. I want to stay longer, but it's like I can't fucking. Mine sucks.
Thanks for coming out, dude. Hold it up, Ev.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Boys.
To celebrate the event, I got a couple things for you. Want to give you this?
Dude, that thing's badass.
CBD?
Fuck yeah.
Hold on, I got something else for you, dude.
I'll blow my shoulder apart.
You're doing too much out here. Jesus Christ, you know
You
what?
want me to shoot that T-bolt outside?
That's for you, dude.
Let's go.
I can't thank you guys enough.
That's from the shirt sales, big
That's
dog.
from the shirt sales. 4BK 3.0.
Appreciate you guys.
Legend.
You guys are the fucking best.
Don't even use that for your rehabilitation.
Dude, I have
Just
to.
use that for fucking strippers tonight, dude. You deserve it.
Alright, we're rolling. Epic day.
Peace, dude.
The event was gnarly.
Yeah. The event was gnarly.
Beyond gnarly. I don't think we could have asked for a better day.
No.
Weather in the morning was a little rough, but the boys powered through it, and
Look at the track now, though. Like,
we
it's
didn't have
literally-
to water at all.
It's literally the best lines I've ever seen here, and the dirt's so perfect, and the jump lips aren't messed up. It's
It's epic.
prime.
The boys threw it down. Everyone showed up and showed out. We helped raise a couple bucks for Brad,
We
and
raised a lot. Bad Friends Crew merch raised $500, and entry fees raised $500. There was $1,000 for him to go to the strip club with. I hope he does that with it.
we got some epic merch and stuff. I have 2 small t-shirts left, so if anybody wants one, hit us up on the gram. And we got the Film Star Award will be dropping when Hob drops his vlog. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be an epic award. So shout out to all the boys who came out and made it epic.
It was a good day. Oh, good save. Good
See?
It was a good day, boys. We'll see you later. Peace.
What is good? We are all loaded up. Insane day. I can't even. Jesus. So many sick motos went down. So much rad footage. We were able to raise a good bit of money. And just an epic day. Land of Thrash, Hob, everyone helped put this thing together. And it was an epic event. 4BK89 3.0. We already can't wait for 4.0. P-Dog and me. What up? We're heading home. We got a little bit of a drive. We're gonna stop and get some snacks and drinks. And yeah, until next time, guys. Peace.